masculine leads. And if you don't have the lead, you give the lead away. It's not even a power struggle because children need that feminine energy, period. Women and children really need that masculine containment. So if you don't distinguish masculine love, you don't have clarity of, oh, I need to have boundaries in place. You don't have clarity of, oh, I'm responsible and accountable to contain. In my world, children are fed, children are respected, children are, loved, children feel safe. Like that's ownership. That's containment. And it's taken for granted if it's not established. Examples of that you can see in society where that containment isn't provided, where those boundaries aren't in place. That's what happens when a child is spoiled. That's what happens when the child has the lead. And it's something so simple, that's why I'm passionate about the energy, because the same thing happens with pets. It's a lot simpler to understand because they're so instinctive and primitive, but it's the same thing. When there is no alpha, you see those situations where the dog whisperer comes in and within 30 minutes can correct the behavior. It's because there's a lack of leadership. There's a lack of direction. And the same thing equates for masculine and feminine inside of families, people, is that kids without those boundaries, if they feel like there are no rules, no guidelines, they're lost.